A very good morning to one and all. I am Garima Sariyal, your EVS teacher, and today we are going to do a quick revision of our chapter number 7, that is people and their workplaces. So students, there are so many people who do different kinds of work for a living. Like doctors. Doctors treat patients. Policemen maintain law and orders. Shopkeeper sells various things. So there are so many people who are working and we need help from them to fulfill our needs. Like marketplace, we found shopkeeper there. Hospital, we found doctor there. School, we found teacher there. And so many things, so many places are there. So there are so many places which make our life easy and comfortable. And the services which we get from all these places, that is called neighborhood services. So let's know them about one by one. First is marketplace. So when we want to buy something, where do we go? Yes, market. When you want to buy something, you go to the market. And there we find grocer, greengrocer, shopkeeper who sells us whatever we need. So a grocer sells pulses, cereals, eggs, bread, milk, etc. And a greengrocer sells fruits and vegetables. And other things like clothes, utensils, these are sold by the shopkeeper. So the next place is the hospital. When you fall in, where do you go? Yes, in the hospital. And what do you found there? Yes, very nice. Doctor. We found doctor in the hospital. We found doctor, nurses and other staff in the hospital. And they help us to cure our diseases. And when someone is in very serious condition, then the doctor and the nurses admit that person in the hospital and take care of that person. Next is school. In normal days, you all go to school. You study in the school, you play in the school, you do a lot of fun with your friends and teachers in the school. So, we found teacher, principal and other caretaker in the school. And they help us to give us better education. They give us better education so that we become a successful person in our future. Next is a post office. So a post office is a place where letters are received and sent to their destination. And the postman. Postmen collect all the letters and parcels and deliver it to their destination. We can also buy stamps, postcards, letters from the post office. Next is police station. So when we have any problem with the law and order, we go to the police station. And we found there policemen. Yes, we found policemen in the police station. So what does the policeman do? Yes, policeman catches thieves and thugs. So basically policeman keeps us safe. So next is park. So students, you all must have visited park. Yes. So a park is a green area full of trees and beautiful flowers. So children love to play in the park. People exercise in the park. They do yoga in the park and they relax in the park. So a park is maintained by gardener and the sweeper. So a gardener works hard to make the park beautiful by planting various trees and flowers. And the sweeper cleans the park. Next is bank. So a bank is a place where we go to save our money. If we keep a lot of money at our homes, then we will feel that it is not safe for us to keep all the money at home. So what do? Yes, we go to the bank and deposit our money in the bank. And when we need that money, we can simply write the check or we can use ATM cards to withdraw that money. So students, these are some neighborhood services which we get in our day-to-day life. And in your unit test 3, question could be like that, what are our neighborhood services. Or the question could be like, name are some neighborhood services. So we have to write the name of these places. Or the question could be like that, what are marketplace, or what are the grocers, or what is a greengrocer, what is shopkeeper. So you know the answer. A grocer is the person who sells, yes, very nice, who sells cereals, biscuits, milk, bread, etc. And greengrocer is a person who sells fruits and vegetables. Next question could be like, why do we go to the hospital? Then you know that when we fall ill, we go to the hospital to get the treatment from the doctor. Next question could be like that, why do we go to school? So you all must know the answer of this question. We go to the school for study, right? And you play a lot of games and you do a lot of activities in the school. Next question is that, why do we go to post office, or what is the role of postman? So you know that a post office is a place where we can send the letters. And a postman collect all the letters and parcels and deliver it to their destination. Next question can be from police station. So police station is a place where we go to the complaint. If we have any problem with any law or order, then we go to the police station. And the policeman protects us, he catches thieves and thugs. So the next question could be from the park, that who maintain the park? So you know the answer, the gardener and the sweeper maintain the park. A gardener keeps the park green, he plants various trees and flowers, and sweeper clean the park. Next question could be from the bank, that what is the bank, or how can we withdraw our money? So you know that a bank is a place where we save our money, and we can withdraw our money simply by writing check and using ATM cards. So students, these all are our neighborhood services, and the people working here are working for us. So it's our duty to cooperate them. So we should follow all the laws and orders. We should keep the public places clean, and we should be soft-spoken and well-behaved, because all these people are working for us. So students, I hope you understand the chapter. So all the best for your unit test 3. Thank you so much.